Hello, Tony. Where's Jenny?
She's on stage. Look, she's playing the violin. Gogo, no, come back.
That's Jenny. I'm her friend.
Oh, Gogo. I'm sorry, Jenny. That's all right, Gogo.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Tony the Magician.
What are you going to do?
I'm going to do some magic tricks.
What trick is he going to do?
He's going to take a rabbit out of his hat. For my first trick, I'm going to take a rabbit out of this hat. There is nothing in the hat. There is nothing up my sleeves. I'm going to say a magic rhyme. Rabbit, rabbit, soft and white, jump out of this hat tonight.
Where's the rabbit? Oh, Jenny. What's he going to do?
Poor Tony. I don't know. Help him, please, Gogo. Tony, may I do a trick? All right. And now, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome my friend, Gogo. What are you going to do, Gogo?
I'm going to make Tony disappear. Ladies and gentlemen, I am now going to make my friend Tony disappear. Watch carefully, please.
Very good, Gogo. Where's Tony?
Oh, yes.
Gogo, where am I? Help! Ooh. Think, Gogo, think.
I remember.
Gogo!
Sorry, Tony. Let's have a concert.
Oh, yes, Gogo. I like concerts. May I go first?
All right, GB. What are you going to do, GB? What are you going to do?
I'm going to sing, Gogo. I'm going to sing. Tra-la-la-la-la-la-la.
What are you going to do, Tappy? What are you going to do?
I'm going to dance, Gogo. I'm going to dance. Dum-dum-dee-dum-dee-dum-dee-dum.
What are you going to do, Pod? What are you going to do?
I'm going to sleep, Gogo. I'm going to sleep.
What are you going to do, Gogo? What are you going to do?
I'm going to do magic tricks, my friends. I'm going to do magic tricks.